Hello, and today I'll be teaching you if else in Python. It's Pylon bringing you 30. Today we're diving deep into the realm of Python if else statements. So, what are if else statements? Imagine telling your computer, hey, if this happens, do this, otherwise do something else. Let's unravel the magic with simple examples. Okay, let me show you an example. So here we have if if 10 equals to 10, which true, else we want to print false. So this is very easy. It's not hard at all. It's not rocket science. We'll break the structure of if-else statements to make it crystal clear. Okay, so now to make it if-else easier, you'll need to ask questions like, we'll explore different conditions and expressions to give our code some smarts. So you can see 10 over here, and you can see 10. They both mean the same thing in English, but they both don't mean the same thing in Python. So time for some action. We'll apply if-else statements to everyday scenarios, from deciding what to wear to creating a simple guessing game to the real world coding at its finest. So how this code basically works is so let's say if this is a question, it's going to do whatever it says here. Else, if this does not equal to this, it will carry on up to here. If you do not have this, then it will just stop there and not print anything. So how this works, so if 10 is equal to 10, so this is now a string. So if I write 11 here, whatever I wrote before would be equal in Python, because they're all strings, they have no value. So if I go back, so you can see 10 over here, and you can see a 10 in words which has no value at all. This has value. Even 0 has some value. So if 10, so when we use if else, instead of doing this, we don't do that, we do this instead, because that's how Python works. It's just like that, it's like the rules. So if 10 is equal to 10, so now it's 10, so this has no value, and this is 10. 10 and 0. So this has no value at all. So it's gonna put 0. This has 10. This is this has value of 10 ones. So if in English we do it like this, but we don't. But that's not what we do here. We use equal sign. So you can see we can change everything in here. And if you try to run this, we're gonna get false. So we can see that if we put something here, it's gonna put something there too. So we always solve this thing. We can make mistakes over here. People put it there instead. You can see lots of errors here. 6 errors, for not putting 3 things. Just 3. So if else, it's more like whatever you do. So if else is all around the world. We use it in our everyday lives without noticing it. Your body uses it. Computers use it a lot of times. Your brain uses it. Everything uses it. Even you do yourself. So where do we use it? So you're probably in the morning and you're wondering, what should I take? So let's take it like a brain. So probably sometimes someone. So let's see the problem. Someone has made you upset, and the solution is that now your brain thinks of a solution. So your brain might think, your brain will decide. So your brain might think, okay, let's be might make you angry for helping it all out. Or maybe make you sad. So it all depends on your body and your brain. So it basically means the same thing. So okay, or maybe or make you sad. So how do we know? So how this works is if you're emotional, So we use print, but they might be using another one like feel sad. If you are an angry person, your brain might feel angry. So it all depends. So this is how your brain usually feels.